we are in my Facebook page. Here you can see we post, it can photo automatically post in my Facebook page. Here you can see 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago. Here you can see 5 hours ago. This is the post that can post automatically in my Facebook page. We just need to do one time setup, and then it can automatically post photos in my Facebook page. So this is the one time setup. Simply we build this automation. We first need to visit mac.com. Here you can see this is the demo automation, but this is too complicated. We don't require this much thing. So visit mac.com and click on scenario. We simply need to create an account on this platform. Whenever we create this account, click on create a new scenario. Then we need to add the HTTP module. So click on HTTP and click on make a request. Then we need to visit Rapid API. Simply we need to visit this URL called Rapid API whatname245 API Pinterest 24. Now we use Pinterest to search image, and that we can post in our Facebook pages. So we can search by scrapboard, by username, or by keyword. We use simply keyboard to scrap images. Simply we need to click here to subscribe, but in my case it can allow test endpoint, but in your case you need to, here you can see you need to subscribe here. This also have a free plan. So we simply need to copy this part and simply Ctrl+C to copy and visit Mac and simply paste. And what is the keyboard we use to scrap? So we scrap anything, like we scrap cat. Simply we use cake to scrap, and we need to click on add a header and just scroll a little bit and copy this XGPI host. Ctrl+C copy and visit Mac again and just paste the name. And now we need to paste value of this. We simply go to, this is the value of that. Simply copy and go Mac and paste here and remove spaces and comma if we copy to, and again we need to copy this part Rapid API key and simply copy this and visit Mac again and just paste the name, and the value will be this one. Simply copy this and just paste it and just save it. And we need to add preface response and save it, and just click on run this module only. Now here you can see we got images. Click on data and the query return of 5 result for us. And click on result 1. Here you can see we got, this is a Pinterest pin URL, pin ID, domain, or this is the pin link. This is the image that we need, or this is the board. Here you can see this is the much information that we get from this. Now we need to add HTTP module again. Now click on HTTP and click on get a file. File will be this. Click on result, and this will be the pin image, will be the file, and just save it, and also save it here and click on run once. Here you can see it return of data of this file. Here you can see we got, this is the image file in binary format. Now click on add. Now click on search Facebook and click on upload a photo. Now we need to simply add our account. Click on add button and just save it, and make sure you log in your Facebook account in browser and simply authorize it, and you can choose it from here. So this is the page that we used to, and this is the page. So I love chocolate, and this is the file from HTTP file get, and this means it can grab file from here automatically. कति लगाले थियौ हालले बैठला नहीं बैठला तू वो ना करा के जिगा दिला
कखनो देखाइ दे रे प्लीज
Now we need to add some messages that can automatically post in our Facebook page. We type anything like cake and some hashtag. You can write from a ChatGPT. That is best for you. You can't waste any time, and simply save it, and just save it, save anyway, and we run it every 1 hour. Click on 60 minutes and just save it. Activate scenario. Alright, everything is okay, and click on run once. You can see it can posting image in our. Now it can post image in our Facebook page. We simply click on save it and click on run every hour and just save it, and now our work is done, completely done. We don't need to do anything. Now I show you, this is the page. Now we need to refresh it to see image. Next, anything you can do. I think this. Yes, I love chocolate. This is the page. I can show you to refresh, see if it's posted or not. Now click on refresh. Oh, this is the post that can scrap. I think you can see. This is the cake that we use, and simply this is hashtag that we use to post. Now this thing is working. We see everything is working, and just save it. Now our work is done. We don't need to do anything. It can automatically work in background. Okay, bye.